So today we are going to be going far down in the woods. I don't know how long it's going to be, maybe like 2 or 3 miles. We already have like all the stuff set up.
What are we going to do in the woods?
We're going to go camping and we're going to roast marshmallows, but hopefully no mosquitoes bite.
It's going to be a long journey though, right?
Yeah.
It's going to take a long time to get there, huh?
Yeah. It might even be dark whenever we get there.
Yeah. I've got my pack on, so we should be set to go. We'll bring lots of water and supplies with us.
Now
How about you, Emery? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to go camping?
You might remember Emery from the Kitty in My Pocket video because he was our special guest and he was my little brother. And guess what? We actually have another one coming. It's a girl.
What's her name?
Aria Claire.
Claire.
We think, because there has been many changes. All of us like Aria Claire. Even my teacher likes it.
Oh yeah? Well, if the teacher's got approval, then I think that's set in stone.
Come on. Yeah, that was a pretty funny video.
What are you doing?
So here's the path. It might be like your tent might be 5 miles away.
5 miles away?
That's a really
Yeah. It's going to take us a while to get there for sure.
I think I see it.
You see it? Well, that wasn't long at all.
Daddy said that it was like such a long trip. Daddy!
All right. Who wants hot dogs?
Me! Daddy! Oh. There it is, guys. Hot dogs. And I don't want to wait too long because then they'll be burned.
You excited for hot dogs? Are you going to eat 500 of them?
Because we don't have 500.
Oh, that's a good point.
Daddy.
Can't quite fit in your mouth, huh? Monster dog. Got a little bit right here.
Did I get it?
Not quite.
How about now?
A little bit. There you go.
This is the best hot dog I ever had. And plus, we're sitting out in the nature. Marshmallow meat. Roasted!
Whoa, it's on fire! It's on fire! Blow it out!
Oh, that's... So guys, we're after 10 and it's night. Well, close to night. And Daddy, you're gonna make me go blind.
Well, how else are they supposed to see you, silly?
Daddy, what if we opened it and there was a
Okay,
bear
just get
that
in
was
there.
sleeping in
Just get
it?
in there. All right.
So
here we are. There's our lamp.
now let's make our bed. Oh guys, I've never shown this blanket on camera, but it's a blanket that says my name on it.
Whoa, very cool.
So this is what is on it. Paw Patrol is on it.
Paw Patrol. Who's your favorite Paw Patrol character?
It's this guy,
What's his name?
Chase.
Chase.
And it says Paw Patrol on the top.
What does Chase always say?
Chase is on a case.
We have got to figure out something to do while we're getting ready for bed. Who wants to play?
Guess who?
Guess who? So
vote
right
it.
now it's kids against daddy.
Vote in the comments. Who do you think will win? Red team or blue team?
Okay, you could show. Be very careful that I don't see. Now we've got a nice, neat pile. We'll cut the deck, and then I'll pick a person. And this is my character. So at the very least, we know my character is not theirs. So we can automatically put
Daddy,
him
I
down.
see
You can go first.
Okay, let's see. Is your person tan?
No. Holy cow. How many? What? You guys eliminated a lot of people. Anyway, does your character have red hair?
No. Does your person have black hair?
No, he doesn't. Oh, dang it. I shouldn't have said he. Does your character have yellow hair?
No. No. Does your person have black hair?
That was the last question, and no.
Sissy, I said that. And he said no.
She
no
wins.
person left.
Well, you obviously put down the wrong person. Ask yourselves the questions again,
Can you
and
put
remember
this
the way
card
I
back there?
answered. Okay, my turn. Does your character have white
Okay.
hair?
No. Is your person Jake?
No. Is your person a girl?
Yes.
I'm gonna have to guess, because they've only got one person left, so I gotta guess. Is your person Katie?
No. No. Okay. Is your person James?
No.
Okay, then I gotta flip back all of the boys.
Is your person wearing a hat?
No. Well, ish.
Is your person Lisa?
Yes.
Yes! I guessed. Lisa, Dad is the winner.
You said that yours wasn't tan.
He's not tan.
This is tan.
This is not tan.
What,
This is not tan.
Are
What-
you colorblind?
Do you know what tan is?
I meant peach.
Well, you didn't say peach. You said tan. Well, you messed up. All right. Daddy is the ultimate winner of Guess Who. So now we're moving on to Zombie Go Fish.
Oh yeah, that has a
All right.
zombie on it.
Do you know how to shuffle? Do you know how to shuffle?
Daddy, yes.
All right, Emery's gonna shuffle some. He's gonna show me how to do it. Whoa.
How
Uh-oh.
amazing.
Okay, now they're getting all mixed up. Wait. Now we gotta face them all the right way again. Okay. Eisley's gonna deal us the cards. How does
I
Go
have
Fish
this
work? We can just put down pairs?
No, you have to have 4 of the same card.
Do you have any fives?
No, I do not. Go fish. Go zombie, actually.
Go zombie. Yeah, that's a good idea. We should say go zombie.
Do you have any 2s?
Hey, stop cheating. I see you cheating.
Go zombie. Okay.
No twos. I don't
Go
have any
zombie.
twos. Go fish.
No, you say go zombie.
Have
Do
the
you
card.
have a J? No. Well, I have J.
Okay, so go fish, Emery. You gotta get one out of the pile.
Fish. Go zombie. Go zombie.
Emery got the first stack of 4. He got 4
One.
zombie jacks.
2, 3, Daddy. 4.
Wow, these are some gnarly looking guys. Do you have any 9s?
Go zombie.
Eisley's
Emery,
turn.
do you have any Qs?
Queens.
Queens.
Queen zombies. Queen bees.
Raya, you can call me Queen Bee. Baby, go fish. Go zombie.
Go zombie. Game update. Eisley has a stack of 10s, and I still don't have a stack.
Daddy, do
So.
you have a 3?
Go zombie. Go zombie.
Go zombie. Ow. Zombie. Zombie.
Game update. Emery got another stack. I still have no stacks. He took all 3 of my 4s. Do you, Emery, have any 7s?
No.
Dang it! I gotta go zombie.
Go zombie. Daddy, do you have a Q? queen.
Go zombie.
Yeah.
Game update. Eisley got a stack of 2s. I still have no stacks.
Daddy, do you have a 3?
Go zombie.
Yeah.
Game update.
Daddy got a stack.
The underdog finally got a stack. I'm still being beaten by my kids with 2 stacks apiece, but I still have a stack, and I've got potential for more.
I'm winning you.
You are winning me.
Emery, do you have a 3?
No.
Go zombie.
Go zombie.
Game update.
Game update.
I got another stack.
Daddy.
I am now tied with my children. 2 stacks apiece.
2 stacks apiece. The girls' channel.
Wait, what?
I'm the girls' channel.
What?
What?
What? What? What does that mean?
What?
Do you know what that means?
What?
I don't know what that means.
I don't even know what
The
I'm
girls'
saying.
channel? I think you're tired. I think you're
Daddy.
delirious. Emery, do you have any 9s?
Hope I don't. Hope I don't.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Go first, Dad. What? Why are you staring at me?
Because
It's my
it's your
turn?
turn.
Emery,
Wait.
do you have any Ks?
Wait. Is it? Yes.
This cake. And I
Okay.
have this cake.
Whoa, you had 3 kings?
She
Game update. Eisley has 3 stacks. She's
Dad,
beating
do
us.
you have a 6?
Do I have a 6? I
Yeah,
do not
2.
have a 6. Go zombie.
Go zombie.
Oh, I got a 6. How lucky. Emery, do you have a 6?
Yes.
Wait. Why do you get to ask him again when I did not have a 6?
I got a 6.
That doesn't mean you get to go again if you draw a 6.
Yes.
Game update. Eisley's a cheater.
Daddy. No?
She thinks that if you ask somebody if they have a card and they don't, and they say go fish, and then you draw that card, that you get to go again. I don't think so.
Let's see what they think. If you think that that's so, then why don't you put it in the comments? Okay, it's still my turn.
Okay, miss, your turn.
Emery, do you have any Qs or queens?
Uh,
Oh, no! Have any 3s, daddies?
I have a 3.
Thank you. Daddo, have a 9?
Ah, I have 3 9s.
Yeah! Yes! Yes!
She's
Emery,
beating us.
have a 5?
I have no cars.
You're just asking all of the right cards.
Daddy, have
Wait,
a
wait,
5?
wait. I have 1 5.
Yes, I'm done. I won.
Okay, well, Eisley just won. That's because she cheats.
No! She just teach because she did a 6 again! So guys, we hope that you liked this video. And if you did, smash that like button and make sure to hit the notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye!
Hey! Smash that vacation button. And
Smash the vacation button?
I like the vacation button idea. I need that vacation button.
and smash the like button and hit subscribe.